Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio. Kublay phi baro gni long ki khubor bam ta kasni. Kamat themetor ka shulong tang ka kampan por biang ka Harijan Panchayat Committee HPC hadu nyotrik jiliu ban shim ya karai ba khaddu. Halor ka jingpin kumria ya ki laispa sapu artli ki long ying na themetor. Them maulong haba yengs kemru ha ka nongrim ba kanum ai jaka satya ya ki briu ba shong be an. Ya ketika kam lalong kum ka kam pinsa ateng namar ke jingelang bala khot ka sorkar kala sngap ye kiti ki Harijan om ye ke surjong ki pat ba. Kar kum ka jingpren jong ba prestun pensong simbut menteri rong ba ke Meghalaya. Habaya kren shikilat pathai kubor men ha ka nyotrik ujemmang. Ha ka jingelang bala penya do ba prestun pensong bala donlang umas nyau bhalang dhar uba prestun ula ong ba ka HPC kala kerpat ya ka sorkar jila bakan sya ya ki bakan net ya kren ya ka ka bami na gani ka jingelang. Bar ki briu ki basa hathem metor haswa bakin wan biang sya ka jingelang ka bakhat do halor kani ka kam. Uba prestun tensong uyathu baro shikata ki Harijan kimpat smothu ke ka jingmut jeng ka blueprint menta ki latip shu uba prestun upenksan ba ke jubab RTI jeng ka SMB bala Aisha ka HYC baong baki don tang shispa khandai psangut ki nong trei sorkar na pedeng ki laispa sapu artli ki longying. Kibadon hathem metor henrei utei usimbut menteri rangba ujubab kelan umla ban ai. Namar kadai tang jong ka municipal Klem Khenlang na Director Katunat Urban Affairs but Chief Executive Officer CEO ka Shillong Municipal Board SMB kadang syong bishar but pinti kena menta ya ka jubab RTI. Kani kalami hadin ka jingdawa jong ka HYC banshu kendang ya kisispa sau pratuli ki ying ki basyang be an hathemetor thamyo maulong katkum ka jingshem na ka arti. Katkum ka jingong jongu ka sorkar kadang ap ya katanat Urban Affairs bar ka SMB bakin pendep ya ka jingbishar hakaban pinti kena ya kani ka RTI. Nalor kani uba prestun ula pentip bakladon ka jingpro ding ka basyur khai hathem yo maulong haus nem syajar khandai spa khandai penriu hakababun ki yeng kila ing bar julor bar hagani ka jingjia katu katni ki kot kisla kila ja. Namar kani ka jingjia u director katanat Urban Affairs haus nem arhajar prabat arhajar khandai ula ai jingbetha ya ka MUDA ban pelong biang ya ka survey bathamai ha ka jingya don lang ki tu kilong ying hathem metor ya ka bagila deple kumbanga ong haba pensyong nongrem ya ka RTI bajubab da u CEO ka SMB ngampat la banong AA yamenta namar ka MUDA ba director ka Urban Affairs kidang syong bishar ban pentikna ya ka RTI. Hagajuk kapor usimbut menteri rangba uloong baka sorkar kala yeng skam hagarai ban pinkenria ya ki laispa sapu artli ki long yeng na them metor them yo maulong.
Isi lawan hakaba kewan langru u lawyer joki nang kay na Delhi bat kumju ru u jilong secretary jol ka kuru dwara Delhi u ba buntin u pentau ya ka jingsong kia u kwa langru rengkat od lawyer joki bangin poi sa ka jingya sotu hakaba kanung jon kanu banu ka jing snowmong hang liang tai ke menta kasni kadai ka meeting ka nyosong ya discuss biang ya kadai benta bat ka banga sotu na tolong ngayu i bana kaliang jongka jongki members jongka HPC ru i kumbakila nang syai ke nang sotu ya ka jingmut ke jongi dan government nama ni na ke government ni pakai syai kedak ba ni don kam ya ke relocation ndai bangin be ndai bangin le ben ya ki ki para baya songlang ame nagla ki bala contribute la presi tomu nang mentaga jela jongi bakan kiu sakmat ban kiu sakam kam tamer hakat report kam minang ong don tanga taka service ka service lakrin ka ba 4 don gini ki septic tank gini kitai de maki ki ba pun ki ba suba na don sedom ha ba por no ki ni taman pe ya ki tenteng ni ting ni smi to ke nang da wat ya ka service joki ni hak la kum numbu ban meu ko ka ka ba ki la le ka ba ki la ko ki la ka ta ka jela jong do pin ong ha po pin ong ha sor juana ha sor turane ha sor silong kadon ki jisha ha ka ba hati tu ki ko men dul alin don bakre ban ye kren syatan kan ni ga issue to te menta ka sni ngong ti ha ke jingi kren na so fu ba ki ru ki shai ni ru ni ai ki pe ka ni ka jing mu jong ni kumbe bila kumbe ni pa ban ra ya ki ha ka jaka ka biang ka lo se ka jaka ka ham ka jikot ke jikya na dong sedong ka bit andiang haka ba kipon dikti jo kila sai sesniru kinyo ya ka jaka puli ro diang kinyo ka jaka sa ro diang ba ka bit ka berte ka wei ka bang asrat lang ba na kalian jo kiru kila nang smutu chuchu ya ka ka blueprint ka bang ai ka bang ya pensai mat jo ki ka mi ai ru presentation bat ka ba hadu hati jing ren kalong kita por ini satang ke last meeting kita begin dulu bat kata kalong nila fix jadi haka first week yang udah Jun kamu haruskan neutri yang catat itu nila bu neutri Jun begin peluang ya kan dah jing itu dulu bat ngang next cap nak kalian juk jiru ki ong bang kan ni kalong ka meeting ka hadu haka bang ini asyum ya karai bat kata karai kan long nak kenta ke jing bin jing biang jok ni bat nak kenta ke jing bin jing biang jong kita ba ke jalan kelaju baru kadon taat hindi kantir taat kadon kaban nadu usnen sakunai stak kanai pulai mata kadon dia hadir araja kapai kabalah bakai sai kumuban ki kaba nangamut ban ong takani namar katuta hati ai kabala jubah leta jota sulong municipal board akaba hoi resmi kiwan presiden tapi khotbah baisi dan ketua PGPI Bapelin Timang Tre Apo Office Sulong Sebut Kilang Tangguan Resopik ke ngamla bansu on bek bakade lani pandai ke namarti komopi Apo ka Sulong Sebut don ka bakang hajalado ka mudah kadon nang tanek kadon sa Directorate of Urban Affairs ke gatha ya kemika yukot kisla sya Director of Urban Affairs tak diusir ni bakin verify ba ban lum susu ikut sla sebagai jong tak dari sla kabahai na kalun jong usi o jong suang sebut dia kada ia ban tah na nama betul kumlu sla hadir bangin dari ya betul
Ini ada di laptop ba kita boleh di bahasa kita itu kan ada bahasa ini mesti tak ada atau bahasa apa
ya ki bakum ni tai ni na kadu dewan mu angka ya ki illegal settler minimum concern kalau ini concern ni de tania illegal settler de kini hijak kiba tray bat ni na di postman di balalin no ke na kada kada mo ki kumya ko tukati ay ro na kada mo verify ba bagi yo ya bisa no belan la gajia ba ki don sisa ki bombe ki ba tray nama ki kambuteben on tray tang hapo kasorka ki betray wat don ada tu pon don ba ki bawai simet nomor belayu nomor kejabo jaman berpun ngopi ndon manut banta ndon manut pio menta kumia ka kayak ka in ka dengan tai babun di kolong betray kini dedang kadang ngopi ya mentang ngapat lah ban ong kum nut tambah ka basai kedar ngakok ba pesai ni lada don ki illegal settlers kamu ki bom don betai bat kaji syakri ya ka jela ka juni kamu yang kita ngidam lah ban consider lanu
Telah penong baking si spa lais spa sau fuar timdi ki illegal settler.
Kabalong ni kakum ka affidavit nila file saka high court kalong punta. Namar mo ti yakane kakum survey. Ka survey kabale ro 2008 2009. Berkata ka survey ru le manu ngau ti nawal haden jong ka ar haja haden jong usdan khandai spa khandai penri. Mo haden bajian no atau baklu hantai hapo quarters tu. Ke kikot kislaru labun dibaca. Ikut selabun badu. Dia kata kadon, tenre ngang ong etang apa. Nak ada mau ti kan don bek record lah si nak liang jong muda, bat nak liang jong director jong ka oban. Te adil les biyo ya kata ngam lah ban ong kum nung dur, lakin ne ki lais pak sabuar kilong. Legal baro me mlong legal baro ya kata i swa hadu bangin ayo. Ya kaji sisa. Mentah kidang long on the job. Namar belai ia kan onoi ka information kamla banlong mungkin ai ka bebelah. Nak dah mau pi swa iPhone namar ba nak liang jong ka Directorate of Urban bat nak liang jong munda kidang wat lut ye kini ki kot kisla. Let's say kala benum don hapo municipal, kala bendon bade hapo ka muda. Lani hapo ka office jong director joka Urban Affairs te ia kata ku mau pitongin apsha hadu bagini yo lut ye detail na dong. Namar ko nang nemut ban ong ba ngini ada ya nu ban yarap klumar ya nu. Nai ka bagin le kalau belum genuine ya kino ki bagin dei ban. และอีก relocation งินและเงยกิบมได้กำหนดกี่ฮับบันมีหน่อยนาคติกิจการฮัดดินบางนี้ละติกุบต่อ
I think this is our fourth meeting with the government. It is a very fruitful meeting. We had discussions on various aspects in continuation to our last meeting. And in short, I would say it is a fruitful meeting, and there is not anything concluded. But yes, we have fixed another meeting that is in the first week of June, where hopefully I think we would reach to some conclusion. Right?
But there have been this allegation that there are around 148 illegal settlers in the Harijan colony. If you can
No,
tell
no,
us,
those are just allegations, but that is not the truth. That is not the truth.
But was this issue?
It was already surveyed in 2007, whereby the HPC and government was agreed that about the number of families residing there. So it is later on it's thought, but actually it is not correct.
Last time you have requested for to increase the size of the land to be allotted to each beneficiary.
Yeah. You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
But what is the response of the government? to
See,
this
government
demand?
response is positive. As I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We'll go back, we'll discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want a amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion.
If you can tell us what are these other
Certain
issues
issues
that
that
you have discussed in the meeting?
See, basically there are certain things which I think we'll discuss among our people, which I can't disclose to the media today. But yes, as I told you, to some extent we had a good discussion on a positive note, and once we take the consent of our people, then of course we'll disclose to the media also.
These discussions were based on the High Court order also that you have to settle this problem between the two parties.
You see, all the meetings are being done on the basis of the High Court directions that let's do the settlement by dialogue. So
Do you see that next meeting will be a decisive meeting? Will be the final one?
I hope so. But let's see.
You said in 2007 there was a census that has been done, kind of survey.
Yeah.
What was the total number of the families that were
What was it?
decided there?
342.
242.
Yeah.
You mean that there's all these 342 families who are residing in Harijan?
Are
They are
government
government
employees?
employees. Are they all government
He
employees?
will answer.
Are they all government employees? Gurjeet?
This is, I think, not the question.
जो 342 families है
वही मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको कि जो 342 फैमिलीज है ना वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे। और ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है। ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए। और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है, जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी के आधार पर हम ये मांग रहे हैं कि जो हमारी फैमिलीज है 342 फैमिलीज है उनको सेटलमेंट किया जाए।
मतलब आप कहना चाहते हैं that
we have come to meet the Deputy Chief Minister today, President Tin Song. We have seen the statement given by the Deputy CM, other Deputy CM, Pak Sniaw Panangdhan, that on the 7th of May, the high-level committee under the chairmanship of the Deputy CM will be meeting the representative of those people who are residing at Tham Yau Mawlong. We have also seen the statement made by the government time and again that the government is ready to relocate 342 families from Tham Yau Mawlong to any other place which the government will construct the dwelling units. From our side, we have filed an RTI with the Shillong Municipal Board to find the details of these 342 families. After receiving the RTI, we were shocked to learn that out of 342 families that were supposed to be shifted from Tham Yau Mawlong to those dwelling units, we found that only 195 families have either a single member or two members who are employees of the SMB as well as of other government departments.